Hi, what's up, Chalice coin holder? What's going on? Today video is be very important for all Chalice coin holder because remember that 11.32% Chalice will get a profit. So definitely it's a really good news for all of you, especially for me, my friend, because I am also holder of Chalice coin. And this time, my friend, you can see that Chalice will price increase in last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring positive. The volume is increasing. So that's mean, my friend, this coin is completely on the trending. And definitely if a coin were trending, so that's mean, my friend, to this coin will completely go in the moon now. And definitely, my friend, we will need to predict this coin to what they do next in upcoming time. Can price will pumps up or fails down. So that's clear, my friend. To the upcoming time the price will pumps up, because my friend, after a dump every coin will pumps up. So if this time, as you can see, my friend, the price is increasing, so that's clear, my friends. To in this first week, absolutely this coin will completely go in the moon now. So therefore it's a good news for all of you, to if you, especially for short time investor, my friend, this is a very good news. But I just recommend you, my viewers, my remember, this is not a financial video, just advise you. But please hold now, don't starting selling. I'm 100% sure, my friends, they will give you a profit if you are starting holding. So don't starting selling. My viewers, my subscriber, this time the shares price and is increasing, but if a holder are starting holding, so hold it. My opinion is please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.